Lesson 4 Part 2 Vocab. First, Bijutsukan, Art Gallery. Bijutsukan de e omimasu. I go to see paintings at the art gallery. Second, Ima, now. Ima wa nanji desu ka? What time is it now? Third, Ji, o'clock. 12時に昼ご飯を食べました. I ate lunch at 12 o'clock. Fourth, Fun or Pun. 今10時15分です. It's 10:15 right now. Fifth, Han, half. 今10時半です. It's 10:30 right now. Sixth, Nanji, what time? 何時に寝ますか? What time do you go to sleep? Seventh, Nanpun, what minute? 今何時何分ですか? 9時15分です. What hour, what minute is it now? It's 9:15. Eighth, Gozen, AM. 午前8時に起きます. I wake up at 8 a.m. Ninth, Gogo, PM. 午後4時からアルバイトします. I work part-time from 4 p.m. Tenth, Asa, morning. 毎朝ジョギングをします. I go for a jog every morning. Coming to the grammar, grammar point 2. Verb mas, masen, mashita, masen deshita. Verb mas works as a predicate and shows politeness towards listener. Verb mas is used when a sentence expresses something habitual or a truth. It is also used when a sentence expresses a behavior or an event that will occur in the future. The conjugation of mas form is as follows. Present tense affirmative is okimasu. Present tense negative is okimasen. Past tense affirmative is okimashita. Past tense negative is okimasen deshita. Grammar 3. Noun, time, ni, verb. Particle ni is attached to a noun indicating the time of occurrence of an action. Example, Rokuji han ni okimasu. I wake up at 6:30.